Next stop, Sam's Club. It's out. Heading over here to South Beach. Why you didn't go out? The struggle is real. Come on. Whoa. Leftover from dinner. All right, so just wiping down this entryway baseboard definitely made a difference right here, because you know, the front door is going to collect a lot of dust taking the dogs in and out, so it definitely made a difference. And down this little metal plate, it makes a difference as well. Baseboard cleaning for the win. Okay, really quickly, I wanted to share this cute little find. It came from CB2. I thought it was gonna look a little Halloween-y, but it looks so pretty, especially with that contrasting of the roses. So nice. So again, it's from CB2. Okay, so I pulled out a few brooches. These all pretty much, I believe, came from like Hobby Lobby. Definitely the fox came from Hobby Lobby, if nonetheless. But this pillow was just so plain, so I'm going to put this little cute fox, and then I felt like it was a little bit too small, so I'm just going to add one additional brooch. Okay, here goes the bed all styled with the Euro shams, and I'm gonna replace these pillows and get some king size, but I like this texture. It matches well. So this is the Casaluna little shams from Target, but these are king size, so I'm just gonna switch out the pillows. These cuties came from Macy. I thought they matched well. It has like a metallic-y thread, and it matched well with the comforter, so here goes. And then I just have to find a cover for this little pillow that I found at this little fancy Italian bedding place. So cute. And this pillow mist smells amazing, and also the room spray is divine. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Oh, there's the little brooch on the pillow, little fox. I don't know if I'll keep it there, but it was something cute to add. And here's the comforter and the throw blanket. Okay, so that's my cute little bed here. Work in progress, I'll tell you that. Hanging and rocking out with us as we prepare for this beautiful week ahead. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys once again for rocking out with me. I will catch you guys on the next one.